A is for apple, red and bright. B is for ball, bouncing with delight. C is for cat, soft and meowing. D is for dog, friendly. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. G is for grapes, yummy as can be. H is for hat, to wear on your head. I is for ice cream, a cool treat indeed. J is for jump, let's jump high.
K is for kite, soaring up with the breeze.
L is for lion, hear its mighty cry. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, birds build it just right. O is for owl, hooting in the trees. P is for penguin, waddling on ice. Q is for queen, elegant and nice. R is for rainbow, colors after rain. S is for sun, brightening our day. T is for train, chugging down the tracks. U is for umbrella, for rain or shine.
V is for violin, with strings so fine.
Y is for whale, a giant of the sea.
X is for xylophone, with colorful bars to play. E is for yo-yo, up and down it goes.
Z is for zebra, with stripes on display.
Did you have as much fun as I did? If you liked our alphabet adventure, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. And share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.